Hello, I'm Damien Franich, Manager of Business Growth and Engagement for Motor Trades Care, the Safety Division of MTA New South Wales. Welcome to this educational video about our self-assessment tool and model designed to create a sustainable work health and safety working environment for you. Let's dive into the purpose of the Protect and Care self-assessment, the benefits and key elements of our WHS model. Firstly, a crucial point, it's free. By investing only 45 minutes to complete the self-assessment questions, you've already embarked on your WHS journey, and MTC will provide essential insights, resources, and valuable information to help you improve and become WHS compliant. Importantly, provide comfort that you are investing in improving safety for your business, employees, and customers. The assessment analyzes an existing WHS program, establishes the baseline, and charts a path towards improvement for a safer working environment. Our comprehensive 40+ page report identifies critical priorities and areas needing improvement. Plus, we offer a 30-minute debrief with an MTC safety professional to guide your WHS improvement journey. So ask yourself, what improvements can be made to ensure the safety of employees and the public? And why not assess your WHS for free? As an added benefit, you'll be offered an opportunity to improve via our tailored WHS Essentials Kit, a documentation library based on your assessment answers. It covers essential business needs and documented processes, procedures, toolbox talk subjects, safety checklists, and safe work instructions, plus much more. Let's explore the core of our WHS model, the engine and key components. These represent the 9 key WHS model principles and elements forming the foundation for effective WHS practices. Together, they create a blueprint for a safe and healthy workplace. These elements I will delve into need to work harmoniously and in balance. If one or more elements are not routinely managed, the effect can impact safety of employees, culture, and productivity of the company. Remember, our goal is to create safer workplaces while boosting productivity. Let's explore these principles further and highlight the elements and key messages. Organisational commitment reflects the level of commitment and support from owners and management. Setting a clear vision, mission and values for WHS and return to work is critical. Allocating adequate resources and support, establishing a WHS and return to work committee or a meeting, depending on the company's size and structure, and reviewing and discussing WHS and return to work performance regularly. Organisational expectation reflects the clarity and consistency of policies, procedures, standards and expectations. Developing, implementing, communicating and reviewing a WHS and return to work policy, ensuring alignment with the company's strategic objectives, providing guidance and direction for workers and other parties, and promoting a positive WHS and return to work culture. Leader-led is all about leaders demonstrating visible leadership, accountability and responsibility. Leading by example is a term used widely, and for safety, it is the centerpiece of the model principles. Setting clear goals and expectations, providing feedback and recognition, engaging workers in consultation and participation, resolving issues promptly and effectively, and taking corrective actions when needed. These characteristics and behaviours drive company culture. Management standards dives into the business and whether you have implemented effective management systems, processes and practices. Adopting a plan, do, check, act cycle, integrating WHS and return to work into business planning, ensuring compliance with relevant legislation, codes of practice and standards, applying continuous improvement principles, managing change effectively and ensuring documentation is accurate, complete and accessible. Key performance indicators is an important element. So how do we measure WHS effectiveness? It makes you think and ask that you establish, monitor and review meaningful and measurable indicators. For the smaller employer, under 10 employees, toolbox talks, communication on safety and ensuring employees go home at night. Test your machines, educate your staff, ensure everyone looks out for each other and make sure you have sustainable work responsibilities for those recovering from injury and returning to work. For the larger cohort of companies, identifying leading and lagging indicators, setting targets and benchmarks, collecting and analysing data, reporting and communicating results, and using information to inform decision-making and improvement actions. Duty of care governance looks into the extent a company has ensured compliance with its legal obligations and due diligence requirements. Identifying and understanding the duties of a PCBU, officers, workers, and other parties, implementing a risk management approach, ensuring consultation, cooperation, and coordination with other duty holders, and keeping records of compliance activities. It is fundamentally important that directors and owners responsible for safety have measures, processes, procedures in place. Safe systems of work looks into the extent to which a company has identified, assessed, controlled and reviewed hazards and risks associated with its work activities. Applying a hierarchy of control measures, ensuring the suitability, competency and supervision of workers, providing information, training and instruction, managing emergencies, incidents and injuries, and reviewing control measures periodically. Safe workplaces. Does your company invest in safety and ensure a safe and healthy work environment? Its facilities, the equipment and tools for its workers. Ensuring the design, layout, maintenance and cleanliness of the workplace is priority. Providing adequate lighting, ventilation, temperature control and noise reduction, ensuring the availability and use of personal protective equipment, and managing hazardous substances and dangerous goods. Safe and well people ask the tough questions on how a company supports the health, well-being, engagement and participation of its workers. It is essential that promoting physical, mental and social health of workers is paramount importance, and providing flexible work arrangements where possible. Preventing discrimination, bullying, harassment and violence at work, supporting workers with injuries or illnesses to return to work safely and sustainably, and recognising and rewarding workers for their contributions. In summary, it provides valuable feedback on strengths and areas for improvement, along with actionable suggestions to enhance work, health and safety, bolster injury prevention, and optimise return to work capabilities. I hope you gained valuable insights into effective WHS management, so let's make that step toward a safer workplace and be part of the positive change. Thank you for tuning in and prioritising safety.